Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Congratulations on behalf of the entire country and thousands of people who are preparing for this exam. You've created history, and congratulations. It must be an unbelievable experience for you. How are you? How are you feeling? How's everyone at home?
Definitely.
Good. So, for everyone who's just joined in and is listening to this, Jagriti, obviously, with your permission, may I introduce yourself to the viewers of this video? You've got rank 2 for the civil services exam, which is unbelievable, which is fantastic. You are 24 years old. Sociology was your optional, and you're an electrical engineer from MANIT in Bhopal. And I think you were also working with BHEL for about 2 years, and then you cleared. And what is absolutely spectacular is not only have you cleared this exam, and you cleared this exam with flying colors, you cleared this exam in the middle of a pandemic with so much going on and so much happening. So how was the whole process? How did you keep up with things?
Sir, COVID somewhere was an equalizer. Everybody was confined to home. So we were on our own. At the same time, there was a lot of negativity around with loved ones getting infected, and some of them unfortunately also passed away in this our acquaintances. So the entire thing was all about maintaining my composure. I was with my family all the time in Bhopal. So they helped me to be emotionally stable in this entire period. Further, a silver lining was that I got a lot of time. This was my second attempt. First attempt, I couldn't even make it to prelims. So I left my job and prepared for entire 1 year. So definitely time to mila hai is beech mein, and ups and downs were there. But equalizer, as I said, so it has been a wonderful journey, I'll say.
And wonderful, and how a career in bureaucracy, a career in one of the finest services of this country awaits you. And of course, I'm sure बहुत लोग जानना चाहेंगे कि जो आपके बेसिक प्रेपरेशन के फंडामेंटल्स थे, कुछ बेसिक चीजें होती हैं जो मतलब नॉन नेगोशिएबल होती हैं, आपकी वो कैसी थी?
What were your? Sir.
Am I audible now? I think I am.
It's not audible somehow.
Yeah. So I'm saying, not only have you cleared this exam, and you've cleared this exam fantastically, कुछ बहुत बेसिक फंडामेंटल्स होते हैं, एक नॉन नेगोशिएबल्स होते हैं एक एस्पिरेंट के लिए. आपके लिए वो बेसिक ग्राउंड रूल्स क्या थे दैट ये तो मैं हर हालत में मतलब नॉन नेगोशिएबल है?
Sir, I think hard work has no substitute. So definitely, consistently, आपको एक साल 8 to 10 hours every day you have to study, and that increases to 10 to 12 and 12 to 14 as exam approaches. Next would be to cover basics really well, basic books, not just relying on notes or something, complete understanding of concepts. Then practice and working on feedback that one gets on practice, and never giving up, never losing belief in myself. I always said that whatever problem will come, I'll just face it. There has to be a solution. Sometimes I would think better I would have not left the job or something like that. But I think all these things, your hard work, and one more thing I'll say is understand the exam really well. Understand the syllabus, understand previous year questions, what the exam demands of you, and then make your timetable. I took 1 complete month just to understand syllabus. I did nothing much, but I will just see the syllabus, see the previous year questions, syllabus, previous year questions, that's it. That gave me a good understanding of what is expected of me. So
And
definitely
something as simple as बहुत बड़ी बात बोल दी आपने. Something as simple as just spending a month with the syllabus, with the past year papers, figuring out how your next 1 year is going
again,
to be.
it's not audible.
It's not audible. I think we have connection on our end. Maybe आपका थोड़ा toggle हो रहा होगा.
Not audible. I'm unable to hear you, sir.
Perfect. So, Jagriti, you said something so powerful in such a simple manner. You spent a month figuring out the exam, going through the syllabus and the past year papers. You spent a month to figure out how your next 11 months are going to be. And that saved you countless years, honestly.
Definitely.
बहुत पावरफुल बात है, बहुत पावरफुल बात है.
सर इट्स
And-
लाइक कि आपको रास्ता मिल जाता है कि मेहनत
Hmm.
किस डायरेक्शन में करनी है. सो मेरा तो पूरा 1 महीना उसमें गया है एंड होल हार्टेडली वो पहले लगता है फ्रूटलेस है, क्योंकि ऐसे ही जब हम समझते हैं कि एग्जाम क्या चाहता है फिर हम अपने सोर्सेज भी इकट्ठे करना शुरू कर देते हैं.
Mhm.
सो ऑल दैट रियली हेल्प मी.
And how are your parents feeling? They must be on cloud
Oh, they are
nine.
very happy, very happy.
They must be.
I'm the first person in my.
अब ठीक है, अब ठीक है, अब ठीक है.
I was getting some calls. I think that's why.
That's why. I won't take much of your time. I'm sure you're very busy, and the phones will not stop ringing, and they will not stop.
Oh,
bothering
I'm so
you.
happy I worked for this day.
No, of course. Not just this day, but what lies ahead. Jagriti, generally just asking, how was your preparation process? Did you use Unacademy in any form? Did you refer to some of the lectures here? Whose lectures, or generally like a general idea of how you use the platform, because this platform is an ocean, so how did you
I had
use
a
it?
subscription for around 4 months, where I prepared for economy, Mrunal sir's lecture in 2019. January itself, I joined sir's lectures.
Okay.
After that, I used Unacademy for. They have a lot of open courses also. So for Pratik Nayak sir's videos, and I also use it for quality. A very old video of Roman Sani sir is there. What has to be read and what has not to be read. So I use it in bits and pieces after that. For Mrunal sir, complete course.
Fantastic. So matlab in a good way, the preparation and you were able to supplement it well. Generally,
Yes.
matlab I don't want to get into the whole discussion of all of that, but happy, settled, all good.
Thank you so much for all your blessings, everything, sir.
All the best, Akriti. All the best.
Thank you so
Please
much.
take care. And
Thank you, sir.
best wishes to you and your parents. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.